अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम प्रेमी एक्सपो चैनल में खुश आमदीद। आज मैं 2023 करंट अफेयर डिस्कस किया जा रहा हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। How many people have been forced from their home by floods in Northeast Italy? Correct option is C. More than 36,000. 2025 to be observed as the special tourism year in which country? Right option is C. Nepal. Who is the current CEO of Twitter? Right option A. Linda Icariano. Who became the world's largest exporter of car in the year 2023? Right option is A. China. What a country parliament recently passed a massive anti-LGBTQ bill? Right option is A. Uganda. The current wealthiest city in the world is. Right option is B. New York. First woman Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court is. Right option is A. Musrat Elali. Who is the current IGP of Gilgit-Baltistan? Right option is A. Dar Ali Khan Khatak. Who won the presidential election in Turkey? Right option is C. Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Which country has been recently removed from the US high-risk country list? Right option is B. Pakistan. Which city will host the fourth round of Pakistan-China strategic dialogue? Right option is C. Islamabad. Who is the current May 2023 Governor of the State Bank of Pakistan? Right option is D. Raza Bakir. Who is the current IG of National Highway and Motorway Police? Right option is B. Sultan Ali Khwaja. How many unused seats did Pakistan return to Saudi Arabia this year? Right option is B. 8,000. How many people died in Kekloon Municha in Myanmar recently? Right option is A. 60. Which fact did Naila Kiani and Nadia Azad claim on May 16, 2023? Right option is B. Lotus. Who became the first Arab woman astronaut to go into space on May 21, 2023? Right option is C. Rihanna Barnawi. In May 2023, Saudi Arabia is going to sign a Road to Mecca project with which country? Right option is B. Pakistan. In May 2023, Pakistan and China extend the China-Pakistan economic corridor to which country? Right option is B. Afghanistan. Former Pakistan PM Imran Khan was arrested by the parliamentary police on. Right option is A. 9 May 2023. In which case former Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested on 9 May 2023. Right option is A. Al-Qadr Trust case. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif would visit which country on 6 May 2023? Right option is B. UK. On May 28, 2023, Pakistan celebrated the anniversary of Yom Takbir. Right option is C. 25th. Name of the two Pakistani high-altitude climbers who have summited the world's fourth highest peak, Mount Lotus in Nepal, on 16 May 2023. Right option is C. Naila Kiani and Nadia Azad. Which country's foreign minister arrived on 5th May 2023 to Pakistan for a 4-day official visit? Right option is C. Afghanistan. Which country banned UNS women staff from working recently? Right option is C. Afghanistan. What was the world's busiest airport in 2022? Right option is C. Atlanta International Airport. Which is the most philanthropic country in the world? Right option is C, Indonesia. Which country has been recently removed from the US risk third country list? Right option is B, Pakistan. Under which article Chief Justice of Pakistan takes summatory notice? Right option is B, 184-3. Who won a gold medal in the 34th National Games in May 2023? Right option is B, Arshad Nadeem. 7 census in Pakistan was concluded on. Right option is C, 31 May 2023. When National Assembly passes a crucial bill on contempt of Parliament. Right option is B, May 16, 2023. Thanks for watching the video.